to set password for application on Pixel 10a, open the settings. Now you have to scroll down. And what we are looking for is actually the security and privacy settings. Then we have to go below again for option called private space. When you are opening this for the first time, you will get the creation process. So you will have to wait for around 30 seconds to finish this. And you will have to create a password. You can, by the way, use the same password that you are using for your screen lock, or you can use the different one. You will have to create it. And now when it's created, you have to just open up drawer, go here. It will look like this. So we have to click on it and unlock. And now if you want to set password for any application, for example, as you can see, for photos or messages, I have to just click here, add, click to install apps. Now you'll get a brand new Play Store, because the private space also hide, copy, and allows you to set a password on application. So you have to log in to your Google account. And after that, you have to just download this application from a Google Play Store. And then it will be visible over here, like for example, my Play Store or my Google Chrome. And now you can just click here to lock it. And if you even want to hide this private space, then it's also possible by clicking on the settings icon. You have to select hide private space. Click here, click that you've got it. And right now, as you can see, when we lock this, it will be not visible over here. And now if I want to find it, I have to click here and input private space phrase, and then I will be able to open it.